Okay, so what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you how to create a macro, and this will basically make it so anything that you have to do that would take time and clicks and specific key inputs, you can automate that to a degree so that you can save yourself some time. So what you want to do is just go to Google or your favorite search engine, type in AutoHotkey, go to the website, download it. Once you download it and install it, you'll get this program with it right here. It's Windows Spy. Open this. This basically just tells you where your mouse is, what position it is with coordinates on the screen. So what you want to do after that is right click anywhere in your desktop, go to New, then go to AutoHotkey Script. I'm going to name this one Empty Bin, because that's the script I'm going to be showing, just a simple script on how to empty your recycling bin. So then you right click the script, go to Edit Script, just move this out the way, go ahead and delete everything in it, and basically there's only some simple commands that you have to put in, like click or send, or a command for it to wait a specific amount of time. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is check the coordinates of your recycling bin. So since the coordinates for it right in the middle is 3633, I'm going to go ahead and type click, comma, R, and then 36 space 33. And that'll be the coordinates for when I go to click on this. Alright, so after that click, you'd want to go down to recycling bin, empty, right here. I'm going to put that in the middle too, and that's on the recommended by client under mouse position right there is 8573. So I'll type that in here as well on the next line, click, comma, 85 space 73. And you don't want to add the R, of course, because it's going to be a left click on your second click. And then I want it to wait 1/10 of a second. So this is in millisecond, these numbers, 1000 milliseconds a second, 100 milliseconds is 1/10 of a second. That'll make the script wait 1/10 of the second before completing the next action. And the next action is send enter down. This will press your enter button down, and then you're going to want to put send enter up. And this will allow the up button to come off like you're letting your finger off the enter button. And then once you're done with this, go ahead and save. Then you can close it. You can also close your Windows Spy right here. And then this will be your script. And then at any time you want to empty recycling bin after this, you would just double click it. Boom, empty recycling bin. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.